In this video I am gonna show you how to make an impressive 3D logo, like this one, from your normal 2D text and logo. It's a real simple process, just stay tuned with me. Create a canvas of the following dimensions, with black color on it. Now paste the background on it. Link for this image will be in the description.
Select the text tool. I am using this font, but you can use any bold font. Type the text, and resize it. Make sure it is in white color. Now convert the text layer into a smart object. Press Ctrl J and duplicate the layer, and rename it as Shadow 1. Now go to Blending Options and add a drop shadow. Make sure to uncheck the global light. Duplicate the layer, using Ctrl J, rename the layer as Shadow 2, and go to Blending Options. Add a drop shadow again, and follow the process. Duplicate the layer, and rename it as Shadow 3, and go to Blending Options. Add a drop shadow again, and follow the process. Duplicate the layer, and rename it as Shadow 4, and go to Blending Options. Add a drop shadow again, and follow the process. Now, group all layers in a group. Duplicate the original smart object, place it on top, and go to Blending Options. Add a bevel and emboss, and follow the process. Link for this contour will be in the description. Set the blend mode to darken, and set the fill to 0. Duplicate the layer, rename it, and go to blending options. Remove the bevel and emboss, and add a gradient overlay, and follow the process. Duplicate the bevel and emboss layer, place it on top, and rename it. Go to blending options, go to bevel and emboss, and follow the process. Link for this contour will be in the description. Set the blend mode to multiply, and fill to 75% for the gradient layer. Duplicate the smart object, and place it on top.
Set the blend mode to multiply. Paste this image on top, with opacity 50%. Clip it to the below layer. Group all the ungrouped layers in one group. Group the both groups in one. Add a vibrance layer on top, and clip it to the below group. Add a levels adjustment layer on top, and follow the process. Add a hue and saturation layer on top, and follow the process. There it is, a finished 3D golden text. Double-click on the smart object. Place your 2D logo on top of it. Use Crop tool to adjust the canvas size. Press Ctrl S to save the changes, and go back to the original file. As you can see, it looks great with realistic metallic look. You can replace the font or change the font style, or paste any 2D logo on top of it. You can also change the color using the hue and saturation layer. You can choose any color for your logo and text. That's it. Hope you liked the video, and comment down below if you want to suggest anything. Peace.